Alright, check this out. This is the motherboard or circuit board of a Nokia 225? Yes. I found recently that the display, which is broken, is soldered in. You can see that there. So it's soldered directly to the motherboard. So what I'm going to do is try to remove this broken screen and replace it with a new one that I got from someone in China on Alibaba. It's looking good, so I'm going to use an iron on this one. Alright, now my tip is getting hot. Let's give it a little tin. So I'm just copying the technique of an Indian guy I found on YouTube. So I'll link you to the video I found there. Let's zoom in. Let's see how this goes. Alright, now it's removed. Now let's see what I can do to clean off some of the excess solder off of these contacts. This is Alright, I won't say this looks good because it doesn't, but at least now it doesn't look like any of the contacts are touching. So now what's left to do is to attach the new screen. Just gonna try to make this work the best that I can because I don't like buying new stuff. And then we're just trying to tack it down on one side and tack it down the other. So now it's in. Now we're going to flow a little bit more solder on the whole thing. Let's see how that turns out. Lovely. I can just see this plastic getting too hot. So that's not great. What you're going to do, this is a last ditch effort. I know for a fact that this is not the right way to do this. So yeah, looks like some of my contacts are touching. Well, I think I just destroyed this motherboard. Yeah. Well, oh well. So the question is, can I fix this? The answer is I don't know. I'll try to suck some of this excess solder away, but I just don't think I'm that good. And I don't have the right tools. Yeah, that's the kicker, is that I just don't have the right tools for this. That's never coming off. Well, here goes nothing. If I destroy the motherboard, then it's probably because I put a giant blob of solder right on the, whatever that is. So let's let this thing cool off, and then we'll fire it up. To be honest, if this fires up at all, that'll be a miracle, an absolute miracle. Moment of truth. Here it is. Good Lord. It's unbelievable. It worked. I'm flabbergasted. Is everything still function right? Dang, I can't believe this. I got my dumb phone back. This is incredible. Well, there you have it, y'all. This is a hack job repair of a Nokia 225, and yeah, might be good to learn these things because you never know when you're going to need them, as I've found out. Okay, that's all I got. Have a great day.